998, 999, 1,000.
My body is not the only way to get girls. Here I'll teach you how to use math pickup lines.
You do? Yeah. You guys still be understanding now?
You know,
Yeah, I was in trouble.
Strom, I wish I was your derivative, because then I could like point into your curves.
Well, no, I was just gonna.
Hey, do you guys know 6 reasons why you should take calculus?
No, and I don't want to.
Here's 6 more.
So much like
I don't really know
that.
if I'm in your range, but I'd like to give you their name.
My love for you is like pie, it's never ending.
Wait. We're not using pickup lines. We're trying to find tan lines.
I'm so glad we're doing this. This is nice.
Yeah, I know. It's just good to finally get some lines so I can pick up some dudes.
Yeah, I don't like girls anyway.
Are you guys kidding me? We're supposed to be finding tangent lines, not tan lines.
Oh,
that makes sense.
Today we are learning how to find the tangent line to a curve for this equation.
No, we're not. That's too big. You can't scare the new calc kids.
Oh, that's a much better equation.
The first step in finding the tangent lines to the function is to derive it. Nick, please derive the function. You're missing something.
Is it your belly button?
Yep. And the x.
Oh, the x, of course.
Now, this is your derivative of your first function. Next step is to plug in the points to find m.
Soon. So let's remember what we're doing here. We are given a function, and we've taken the derivative of it, and the goal is to find a line tangent to it at this point.
Now that we have the derivative of the function, we plug in the x-coordinate into the derivative. So 8x becomes 8 times 1, which equals 8. And that is the slope of the tangent line at that point.
The slope of the tangent line is 8, and we call that m, and that'll be really helpful for us when we do end up writing the equation of the line tangent to the curve.
Okay, so now we are going to use m, which we found, and plug it into point-slope form, which is one of the simplest equations for a line that you can use. And so we have the initial condition, which is the point that we have, and we're going to use all of those to create our equation for the line, which we have here.
The equation of the line will be y minus 4 equals 8 times x minus 1. As you can see up here from the point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m, the slope, times x minus x1. X1 and y1 were given to us, and we use the tangent line, or the derivative, to find the slope m.
Did you take anything at all?
Yeah, I'm just
Where's your other one?